Zorin OS versus Mint. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Zorin OS and Mint. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about Zorin OS. Zorin OS is known for its user-friendly interface and is especially great for those switching from Windows. It comes with a clean, modern look and supports a wide range of hardware. One of its major pros is that it offers a Windows-like experience, making the transition easier for new users. It also comes with built-in tools that enhance productivity and provide a smooth out-of-the-box experience. However, Zorin OS has fewer customization options compared to some other Linux distributions, and the ultimate version is paid, which might be a downside for some users. Now, let's talk about Linux Mint. Linux Mint is based on Ubuntu and is widely appreciated for its stability and performance. It's lightweight, making it ideal for older hardware. One of the best things about Mint is its traditional desktop layout, which is simple and familiar. It also comes with a wide range of pre-installed software that's great for everyday use. On the downside, the design can feel a bit outdated compared to other modern-looking distros, and it might require more manual tweaking for some features. So that's basically the main differences between Zorin OS and Mint, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.